So, Catch the Flag event o yung CTF event sa information security, ito raw ay isang competition na kung saan tinitest yung knowledge and skills ng mga participants in various areas of information security. Ang hinahanap nila is yung mga hidden files or target environment. Yung hidden files is tinatawag na flag. Kukunin mo yung hidden file. Kaya pala ang tawag doon is Catch the Flag or CTF events. So, yun yung purpose nun. So, may bagong IT knowledge na naman tayo. Bagong bago. So, hindi ko alam to kasi hindi naman ako ganun ka-updated eh. No, I graduated computer science almost 21 years ago. So, medyo matagal na. So, yun lang. Bagong knowledge yan. So, bagong knowledge, at least related sa field. So, yun lang po.